Tina from STW. We know that rental products work with the software. We need to download the application and then scan the QR code to virtual parking. Here is my question. What are requirements for software development? Let's talk about the requirements today. The main requirements include the following points. Number 1, UI design. Number 2, server and database. Number 3, payment gateway. Number 4, payment methods. Number 5, price plan. Number 6, push notifications. Number 7, SMS verification. Number 8, Google developer account. Number 9, Apple developer account. For more details, please contact STW.